at you from the studio, and I am doing a deep dive on Texas family law. So before I jump into that, I want to give some much needed attention to the two major issues that are rocking our nation, and the first of which is obviously the economic upheaval of the coronavirus pandemic, and then coming at what we thought maybe was the end of that, the civil unrest over the tragic death of Mr. Floyd in Minnesota. And it has not gone unnoticed. We are very, very cognizant of it. And, especially since we represent those accused of crimes here in this community of North Texas. And, we are listening and we are praying for solidarity, healing, and calm. And more importantly, it reminds me personally of the motto of our great nation. And I think we have to, you can't say it enough, e pluribus unum, out of many, one. We are one people. We are one country. We are one people. I'm doing a deep dive on Texas family law, and the topics that I am covering are pretty multifaceted. Emergency protective orders, why the standard possession order, regular temporary orders hearings, how nuanced that battle can be. But what I'm going to jump into right now is what is a custody evaluation and what impact it can have on your case. And a custody evaluation is a ruling from the court. And if you saw the series on temporary protective orders or temporary restraining orders, I talked about it's a custody evaluation is where the court gets a third party, an expert, assigns them to the case. Sometimes that's going to be family-based social services, which each counties have, depending on their resources, an FBSS agency, and it's a state agency, and there are social workers who are trained in lots of things that assist the courts, and they meet with the parents and they do home studies, and they meet with the children, and then they make recommendations typed up in a report to the court about what they think is the best environment for the children. And these are extremely critical moments in a family law case if there's a custody evaluation going on, because it truly is the job interview of your life. It is the job interview to be the parent for your child, and it cannot be stressed how serious these evaluations can be and the impact that these evaluations can have. So I'm going to delve more into what goes into a custody evaluation, but just know that it can come up in a case, it can be asked for by one side or another, and it can have a profound impact on how your case shakes out. And anyhow, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I love doing these videos for you. Leave me a comment on any social media platform you may see this on, and I'll reply back to you or do a video message or make your question or comment the subject of a subsequent video series. Thanks again for watching. More in the studio on Texas family law coming up next.